just do it here and there, like only when I like kind of like the nails. I'm like I like short, square Frenchies, so yeah, it's cool. I've done nails for a very long time, and so I just like do it for fun. Like I don't know if maybe one day I'd be bigger, but for now it's just like whatever. Do you do any content?
No, I
Okay.
want to, but I feel like I wouldn't, because you have a lot of people that go like on social media
Mhm.
and they do the most random and talk about the most random things. And it's like, I don't know what I would talk about.
No, so yeah, it's not even like I mean like it's harder to do than to say, right? Like
Yeah.
content creation is a full-time job. Like
And
people
you
are like
have to be like consistent with it.
consistent,
Like
yeah.
that's the thing too. Like you can't just do it one day and then wait 2 days later and try to do it again. It's like
It literally has to be like 2 times a day.
Mhm.
Especially with TikTok. I feel like Instagram and so like YouTube, I feel like that it's not as like not every day, right? You don't have to. It's better if it is, but yeah, but TikTok, yeah, definitely 2-3 times a day.
because I was on it and it was like I think because my first account I did, I had like it was growing. I was just like making like random videos, like funny random
On
videos.
TikTok?
Yeah.
Really?
So then I had about 5,000 followers.
Uh-huh.
And then I was like, oh wow, it's cool. But then like I think I got like flagged like 3 times, and then that
On
account
what?
disappeared. It was saying like I don't know. It was random things like this. I
Oh,
think
you
it
were
was-
blowing up too fast. You were gonna be somebody, and they're like, nope.
I was like, I don't know what happened. Then so I was like, damn. So I restarted another account.
Mhm.
So that one is at 3,000 right now. I just make like random funny videos.
Yeah, really.
And then-
I'll follow you.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
that's
then
crazy.
sometimes I'll go live.
Mhm.
But like even when I'm going live, I don't know what to say. Like, but like I see people like what they do. It was one girl live. She's like, yeah, like you don't even have to like do anything on TikTok. You can come on TikTok and have a whole Chipotle bowl. Like people are gonna watch you eat. Like,
Eat it, yeah, girl.
It's
That's
the eating
the funny
thing.
part. How do you skip back a little bit? No, yeah, literally.
it's like,
It's just weird. I don't know. Everybody, I don't know.
but it's like I don't know. I just have $2,000 and I don't know what to do. And they're all just beat.
Do you do like well, you should do your makeup maybe? You do your makeup, right? Like on yourself?
Yeah.
Be doing your makeup. Oh shit. I don't know. Like that. Well, like you said, like eat something. Be eating while you're doing makeup. It's harder than it said. Like,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's not like you're just gonna go on and have all these followers. You're gonna have like the
You're gonna
viewers.
start small.
You'll literally have 1 or 2 viewers, and it's like you gotta keep going. I think they like look at your time, and so like they want to see, are you gonna be on there for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or are you gonna be there an hour?
Yeah.
So I think if you're there longer, it pushes people eventually to you. Maybe, I'm not sure.
Yeah, because last time I even went live at work, that's when it kind of started like blowing up, and I was like, oh shit. And then like it kind of like died down. And
What
I
do you
was
do
like,
for work?
So I was working. I was at Amazon, but then now I'm at Burlington.
Okay.
But yeah, it was blowing up, and I was like, okay, let me keep doing it. But then it kind of like drifted. It was like
Be
some days.
consistent. You have to
Yeah,
be
some days
consistent,
it was
yeah.
up, and then like I think I made like $20 in one day. I was like, wait, like they're sending gifts. Oh my god.
Do you put yourself on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But like videos and stuff, I don't put myself, but I only go live and put myself.
Yeah. See, like that's what everybody tells me. Go live when you're doing nails. I'm like, yeah, I can, but I just, you get lazy sometimes.
Yeah.
So you're like, okay, I will, and you keep saying I will, and you don't. But I've gone live a couple times, and yeah, I get like a little bit here and there. But I hate that I'm not consistent. That's the only thing. But I guess you just gotta push yourself.
Like if you really want to. Like there was a lady even telling me, she's like, you look like you can be a cop. I'm like, I don't know. I would know what to talk. I feel like it would have to come like naturally, like not forced.
Right, yeah. If you're not trying to do it um, like, you know what? Yeah, it comes naturally. Like when you tell yourself, like, oh, I want to do it. It's just, I don't know. It's weird. Like you just do it when it's natural.
Yeah.
I feel like, yeah, it's not for everybody, because if it was, everybody would just be doing it, but it's just like that. You have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I did a lot this weekend with my sister.
You did a what? A lot?
Yeah.
Where'd you guys go?
We went, first we went to, I think it was this one place in...
Oh, I killed it.
It was this one place in San Bernardino. It was like a little arcade. I think it's called GLO.
Glow?
Yeah. And
never heard of it.
It has like mini golf. It has the arcades, and it has laser tag. And it wore me out. I was done.
You guys do all of it?
Yes. And it was $50. So it was like $50 each. It was pretty expensive.
Oh, but you could do all that.
Yeah.
For $50, not
based
bad.
off like which one to do, like, so because it was $28 for like if you wanted to do like mini golf and arcade. And then the other one was $35 if you wanted to do laser. No, I think it was mini golf, arcade, and I think a rage room. I mean the escape room.
Escape room, yeah.
Yeah, so it was like different themes.
Did you guys do the escape room?
No, so
those
that
are
one
fun.
didn't come with the
package.
$50. Yeah, it was a $50 combo. But it was fun.
And San Bernardino called Glow. I'm gonna have to. That sounds fun.
Yeah, the laser tag is the one that like wore me out. Like I was like, I cannot.
Are you like running around?
Yes, they tell you not to run, but I'm still trying. And I had on these big.
What are you supposed to do? Walk around?
They say to walk, but like people still like running or walking fast. And I had on these thick sandal looking heels.
Oh, you're like platform?
Yeah, and then, so like I was running, and then like I fell down the stairs at one point.
Oh no!
And I was like, oh shit. And then it's like, you're down, are you okay? They have somebody like talking to you on the speaker saying that you're okay.
Oh, they're
I'm like,
looking
yeah.
at you.
So I'm like, I'm okay. So then I got up and then like, it was just a whole bunch of running. So then my brother came and he was like, I was like, yeah, you can go at 6 o'clock because I don't think I can do the second round because they had like 2 rounds. And I was like, I don't think I can do the second round. And he was like, all right, I'll go. And he went. He said it was fun. He was blasting music while running.
It's with like your group or more people?
So it was it was 4 separate groups. So it was more people.
Oh, okay. So like strangers.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was fun though. It just wore me out. Just like I'm done.
Yeah. And it reminds me like how they told you like, oh, are you okay? Because they're looking in the camera. We went to go to the shooting range just last weekend, and I didn't have a low cut shirt. Like it was like a decent like coverage, but it was probably like open like right here. And I'm shooting, and one of the cases goes in my shirt, and you know like right away I'm like, oh shit, that's hot. So I like opened my shirt for it to fall, but it got stuck in between. And then just in those couple of seconds, I'm like, oh shit, it got hotter, and I started screaming. I forgot there's a camera right there. They're looking at each stall, and I was like, oh, because I opened my shirt. Oh my goodness. And it left me a big old a burn on my chest. Oh my God. It got hotter as it stayed there. I was like, oh my gosh. So I started panicking. So I put the gun down, and then so I opened my shirt, and my cousin was like, they just saw everything. I was like, who's they? And then I look, I'm like, oh my God. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure they were laughing.
That's crazy.
Oh, that manita clip. But yeah, they probably were laughing at your girl, like, oh Lord, this girl fell. Oh my goodness. Like, never again. I'll wear a turtleneck when we go. No cases going in there. Now open my hand. Alright, let me know how the shape and length look on that one. Give me this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what you meant the last time wherever you say they did it here?
Yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
it was like,
It was decent. It looked
they
nice.
do the short square. They did it fine, but I was like the longer. It was like long.
Oh, when you got them long, you wanted them straight square.
Yeah.
Oh, and then it looked kind of curvy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah. It's definitely the way they cut it, the way they file it. Do you always get short nails, or do you switch it up?
So I used to get long ones, but then I started doing my son's hair, so I get them short.
Okay, okay. You have a baby?
Yeah, he's 7.
Oh, is he your only one?
Yeah.
Cute. 7 years old.
And he's about to be 8 on August 2nd.
So
I'm like,
cute.
the time is flying. I'm like, I remember he was just little.
Yeah. Oh, I know, girl. 8 years
That's why when
old.
you told me you have 1 and 2, I was like, oh my gosh.
Oh,
cherish
yeah,
those memories. They grow so fast. Like, when people used to say, oh, they grow so fast, I used to be like, yeah. But they actually really do grow fast.
They grow overnight. You're like, you weren't this tall yesterday.
Right?
It's so weird, huh? Like, it's crazy because it'd be nice to see it.
And then I was telling you, I was like, I miss your little tiny arms around my neck. You're so small.
Do you plan on having any more?
I do, but not right now.
Okay, yeah, I know.
Not right now.
You have time. You're very young, so you have time.
And then I just met my nephew, and he's 3 months now. And I'm like, oh my gosh, he's so tiny.
It gave you baby fever.
I did. I was like, oh my gosh, I want to be right now.
I need to go.
And so my boyfriend was like, and you going right now? He's like, calm down. He was so tiny, though, his little fingers and everything.
That's it. And they're so cute. I know, like, that's what I tell myself. Like, I know it can be hard, you know, the sleepless nights or the back and forth and the constantly want to be in your arms, but, like, it's not forever. Like, clearly, you know?
Yeah.
And it's like, it's nice to have one, but I think with 2.
I kind of want a lot like that, but not like a lot.
I want a lot, but not a lot.
Not a lot. Because I feel like a big family is really nice, you know?
Yeah, it is.
Especially like around the holidays. But my brother, he has like 5 kids now.
Wow, how old is he?
He's 30. There's so many of us. I'm like, I think he's 33.
I should back a little bit. 33.
And we're the only 2 out of the 10 that has kids.
Dang, wait, your mom had 10 kids?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that is so nice.
5 boys and 4 girls. So it's even. But
Yeah.
I feel like, like we're kind of like the middle childs in a way. Since like we drifted off and had kids, because my dad's like, he's like, when everybody turned 18, he told him, he's like, either you're gonna go to the military or you're gonna go to college. And,
Yeah, that's good.
He's like, we went the college route, but we kind of like drifted away.
Yeah, it happens.
And
Very
then,
normal.
Like, we just started working like regular jobs, and then like I think he ended up having a kid first, and he had another kid. And then,
Your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then like 2 years later, I ended up having a kid, and then everybody's like, those are the middle child kids. I'm like,
Those are like
up.
middle child activities? Having babies? Since when is that? Oh my goodness, they're
I'm like,
funny.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Especially like, cause like they were so strict. Like my parents growing up,